In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate bank accounts, record bank entries, and use the banking module in Zoho Books. First, let's dive into integrating your bank accounts, a crucial step for automating your transaction management. If you're on a paid plan, you can take advantage of the automatic bank feed. Navigate to the banking module and click on Connect Bank or Credit Card. Here you'll need to search for your bank or a third-party service provider like Yodlee. Enter your bank login credentials and follow the prompts to select the accounts you wish to connect. Once this is set up, choose the date from which you'd like to start fetching transaction history. It's typically the last 90 days due to SCA regulations. From this point on, Zoho Books will import transactions automatically, keeping your records up to date. If you prefer the manual approach or are on a free plan, you can opt for manual import. Again, head to the banking module and select the bank account you want to add transactions to. Click on Import Statement in the top right corner. You can upload your bank statement file from your computer and match the file's columns to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. Once matched, simply click Import. Next, we'll look at recording bank entries. For those automatic transactions that Zoho Books pulls in, you'll need to categorize them. Go to the banking module and you'll find these transactions under Uncategorized Transactions. Click on a transaction for more details and use filters to find any matching transactions from customers or vendors. Once you find a match, click Select to categorize the transaction. If you need to manually add transactions, the process is straightforward. In the banking module, click on the specific bank account. To record money coming in, navigate to Transactions, then Money In, and choose the relevant option, like Sales or Interest. For money going out, go to Transactions, then Money Out, and select options like Expenses or Payments. Fill in the required details and save them. Finally, let's explore the banking module in more depth. The dashboard provides an overview with a summary of your bank accounts, their balances, and the status of their feeds, which could be active, fetching, or broken. In transaction management, you can view, match, and categorize all transactions, whether imported or manually added. Use the reconciliation tool to match your bank statement entries with those in Zoho Books, ensuring your records align accurately. For accounts that can't be connected, you can add transactions manually, crucial for offline accounts or older transactions outside the 90-day fetch window. If needed, import bank statements as a CSV, TSV, OFX, or KEF file. Lastly, pay attention to the Wi-Fi symbol next to your account, indicating your bank feed status. If it's broken, you might need to re-enter your credentials or reconfigure the account. That wraps up our guide on integrating bank accounts, recording entries, and navigating the banking module in Zoho Books. With these steps, your financial management process will be smoother and more efficient.